Which way is Toys R Us?
I forgot.
Should we find it on Google?
Yes.
That's that one.
There, Toys R Us. I've seen Toys R Us on the map. Come on, guys.
Here we go.
I got this for Christmas.
Did you?
The same. There's a Hatchimal. That's a tiny one.
Is this a big store?
No, but what's in... This is actually my favourite aisle. I should have been here in the first place, shouldn't I, guys? There's fidget spinners. There's a lot of fidget spinners. Wow. A fidget cube, a slime. Oh my gosh, I'm definitely getting one of these. Oh, I nearly opened it. So we're gonna get this. Is that candy? Is that candy? No, if it's candy, I'm definitely throwing that away. So I'm not taking that. Some Mashems. Okay, I'm gonna get the superhero one. I got that one, and this one. 2 Mashems. Finding Dory. And I got superhero one, and I got the slime.
Why are you buying that?
Because I like it. It's gonna pay. I'm so excited! But then we're gonna go and sit outside and try to open these.
Okay, cool.
And we got the money to pay with. We got the golden one! You guys, if you go Toys R Us and you get any of these Mashems, they are sticky, gooey inside. So let's set that one there and open the next one. Can't do it. Oh wait. And guys, everyone should have had these. I wonder who it is. I hope it's Bucko. No, it's I don't know who that guy is. He's not a joker. Let's squeeze them at the same time. 1, 2, 3, go! But he's a different joker.
He's got a funny hat on.
This one's disgusting. Guys, this one is the best because it is really sticky. Are you even in the video?
No.
Oh my god. Look. The mushrooms that you get, they're sometimes different and they look different because if you put them aside, they're different, aren't they? But you don't want them all to be duplicates, so we are putting them back in. Then what are we gonna do next? Oh, I know! We could go to the cookie store.
Yay!
Let's go.